Well, it's the 10th day of December 2010, shortly after 2 in the afternoon, and it is pretty cold out today. This is one of the colder days that we've gotten. It's about -6 out today, and for those of you in the States, I think that's around 20 some degrees Fahrenheit. And so I know a lot of you like seeing cold start videos, and so I think I have a pretty good one here, and we'll see what you think about it. For those of you who don't know me, I'll tell you a little bit about the car. It's a 1989 Chrysler Daytona. It was originally purchased though in the fall of '88, so the car is actually 22 years old. It's a 3-speed automatic with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. So it's in remarkably good shape for its age. It's not badly rusted. Everything works on it. I think the air conditioner is a little bit off, but other than that, it all works quite well. And so this car hasn't been started for a few days. I guess it's been close to a week now, and hasn't been driven for a couple of weeks. So I'm going to give it a start, see how it goes. Hopefully it does fine. It usually does well, but it's normally used to a garage, and now, well, at least it's protected. It's under a carport. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's not bad. Now, just to show you the dash, it's very low mileage. There's just over, and there you can see it, just over 76,000 kilometers. So, as you can see, the kilometers kind of give away as to why it's in pretty good shape for a 22-year-old car. And so I'm just going to set it down here, the camera down on the can while we start it, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I already have the key inside the car, and let's see. Hope for the best. So, just like always, it starts up pretty quick, I think, for a 22-year-old car, not restored or anything. This is original. I'll pop the hood just so everybody can get a look to see what its engine's like. Now, it is pretty low on fuel. Once in a while it does stall on me. So I gotta take it and get some gas in it. But there it is. So that's pretty much it. So that turned out quite well. I'm pretty pleased that it still does start. It drives like new. And for the most part, it works very well. Now, as you can see though, I do need some fuel. So once there's some fresh gas in it, I think that should really help it out. At least I hope it will. So there you have it. 1989 Chrysler Daytona, again with 76,000 kilometers. Not too bad. Alright, shut it down.